So a bit of a different video this time. I'm at Northview Customs and Autoglass in East Kilbride, Glasgow, Scotland. So I can get my windows done. I'm getting 2 rear windows, a sliding window and a rear vent window. And I didn't want to come to myself, so I'm getting these guys to do the work for me. So no work from me this video. So just back from the window fitter, really happy with the back 2 windows, and the side one really changes the look of the van pretty quickly. However, there was a minor hiccup with the getting the vent window fitted. There is a new one on order, and the guys were really great about it and sorted it out when they realised. But oh well, minor setback, but it'll be here tomorrow or the day afterwards. So it's about a week later and I finally got the vent window in. So I bought it for this model particularly because I wanted one with the fly screen, not just the open and close. So I think for me the real test is going to be if this mesh is thin enough in Scotland to stop midges. Hopefully so. I wanted to go for this vent window was so when the bed's down, the bed level is going to be probably about here. And with the roof vent, and then having this open with a mesh in it, it gives you kind of a good option for airflow. Same for the front as well. And I also like the idea of having at least some sort of window on each side of the van so I can see what's going on outside. But that pretty much concludes it for this video. So once again, thank you for joining. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.